Current hex cost basically is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days, which sort of is very critical. Hex cost investigation especially is negative today, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. First help level for hex essentially is at $0.030, or so they for the most part thought. 02 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through hex cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense. Got clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What basically is momentary cost expectation for hex? Sort of is hex a sort of wise speculation, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Hex help and opposition levels and so on in an all things considered enormous way. Be that as it may, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the hex specialized investigation, fundamentally let us by and large discussion about the especially current economic situations, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,195,617,921,172 in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume really remains at $24,077,659,794 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 level, after a decay of 0.19% in a sort of significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value reduction of 0.51%. Coming to $1,915.50 during the past 24 hours, showing how hex cost examination in every practical sense is negative today, which sort of is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, truly is up by 1.54 and presently exchanging at 48 cents, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a really significant way. These occasions truly show that the market in a real sense is going in a descending heading for pretty present moment. Or so they all things considered thought. Right now, a certainly broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Extremely further appearance how hex cost examination sort of is negative today in an unpretentious manner. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized markers used to truly recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $244.84 following a value change of 0.97% within a similar time period, or so they especially thought. Support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become considerably more especially dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which merchants truly move truly dynamic and, all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is genuinely huge. Following most certainly are the help and opposition levels of hex execution. The genuinely day-to-day diagram of hex truly shows that the hex cost really has an in every practical sense descending development with a 1.19% decline in every practical sense recent hours, which certainly is very critical. The value worth of the hex coin sort of is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars. By and large further appearance, how right now, and in every practical sense, general all things considered, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Pretty further appearance how hex cost examination in every way that really matters is negative today in a significant way. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume truly is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars. Extremely further appearance how the really all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $24,077,659,794 in a genuinely enormous manner. Hex value investigation hex cost examination for 02 July 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time period, most certainly made sense of underneath, which all things considered, is very critical. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal assembly and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including essentially straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA, to really break down the future development of the hex, showing that current hex cost truly is $0.032, hex falls 0.29% in 7 days. Or so they sort of thought. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the sine line after a hybrid, which really is genuinely huge. Hex financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram, especially further appearance. How first help level for Hex fundamentally is at $0.030 in an unobtrusive manner. Hex generally hasn't in a real sense the closest obstruction of $0.036, which especially is very huge. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would basically help the upturn energy, showing how these occasions truly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a really descending heading for especially present moment, which essentially is genuinely huge. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 put at $0.039, showing the way that the purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 put at $0.039, or so they thought. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers for the most part betray the hex, the fundamentally bears could handle the market and in a real sense, take hex cost beneath the pivotal help level of $0.030, exhibiting how 02 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through hex cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, clarified pressing issues, facts. What especially is for the most part transient cost expectation for Hex, certainly is Hex a kind of wise venture, which basically is genuinely critical. While Hex's Williams % R pointer most certainly is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, extremely signal by and large is conceivable at this reach. Pretty further appearance how as of now, a genuinely broad truly regrettable plunge, can being seen all through the crypto market. Truly further appearance how Hex cost investigation in every way that really matters, is negative today, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. The kind of relative strength record, RSI, shows that the Hex coin truly isn't heading towards overbought zone, as RSI in every practical sense, is at 54. So market examination over the last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,109